And Jack, any other areas in automotive where do you think that the AI is developing or start to take a bigger part in it?
Yeah, like we say, it's just understanding the condition of a vehicle throughout its journey. There'll definitely be a big data, I guess, piece for the OEMs for this conversation when we start actually having a really good history of when a vehicle. So, for example, we're starting to play with acoustics. So when a car comes through the scanner, we're starting to hear the fan belt noise, or we're starting to see rust on surfaces. So I think for OEMs because once it leaves the factory, they're quite reactive in the way of their warranties. So they do things reactively when someone has a warranty claim. But if they can start to try and now understand, okay, it's getting to this stage, or when it goes to this market geographically, we're going to start seeing when there's salt on the road in some countries, we're going to start seeing surface rust. But we know that, but it's not just, that's kind of like a belief. But once we start having that data, it just makes it all reality and makes it really quantifiable. So it'll move from our beliefs of when a car goes to the beach, it doesn't last as long as when it goes inland. But it'll just put more data around that so we can really start to play with that and understand it tangibly.